Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial we'll talk about the data types in JavaScript. So there are two types of data types, that is a primitive and a reference data types, and let's talk about that one. So let's play the intro and move on to the coding part.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So we have seen in the previous video, we have seen like how to create a let, const and const and where variables, like how to declare and how to print it. So if you have not watched, just go into my description and watch the video. Link has been provided over there. So now let's create one new file, that is I'll just name it as js3.js. So I'll just tell js3.js file. So in this particular file, let's talk about the data types. So what are the data types? We have a primitive data types and we have a reference data types. Along with the example, we'll see. So first we'll comment. I'll just copy this one and I'll just comment this particular line by pressing Ctrl/. So here I want to load the JavaScript third file over here. So I'll just tell js3.js. So I'll just close the second JavaScript file. I'll just open the third file. So I'll just tell console.log. I'll just tell welcome to my third tutorial. So I'll just save this one. So now I'll just come back to the index.html file. I'll just click onto the go live. So once I click onto the go live, you can see I'll be getting this one. So now I'll just right click and I'll just inspect this particular element. You can see if I just try to click onto the console, the welcome to my third tutorial is getting displayed. Okay. So we'll see the notes. I'll just open the notes, the third notes. So if you want to the notes, just look into the description. You'll be getting a link. Just download the notes over there. So here we have the two types of data type, that is a primitive and a reference. So what is the primitive data types over here? So the primitive data types is a number which stores the particular numbers, strings, and the undefined null and the symbol in the particular stack, and it will be based on the stack based. So that is a primitive data type. So that is basically numbers, strings, and boolean values and undefined and null values. So let's see the example. So you have to given as example where name arc as a string and the particular thing as undefined over here. Suppose if I just tell where, the particular name, I will just give it as a one name. So then I'll just tell console.log. So I'll just print the particular name over here. So now you can see it is a normal, so it is just printing you the name. Suppose if I just tell something, if I just tell where l name, so that is a last name. If I just save like this, if I come over here, you can see I'm not getting anything. If I try to print the l name now without giving any value, if I just tell console.log of l name, if I just tell console.log of l name over here, if I just save it like this, you can see I'll be getting as a undefined. So you can see here, if I just come back over here, you can see it is just saying me the undefined. Suppose I want to give some value, so I'll just tell while x is equal to, I'll just give the numerical value. So again I'll just tell where y is equal to some floating point value. If I just tell 3.45, so now I'll just give some where z is equal to, so I'll just tell z is equal to true. So I'll just tell z is equal to true value, and I'll just tell again where, if I just tell I is equal to false. So I'm giving some true and false value over here. So I'll just put it here. I'll just make it like this, okay, because it is a boolean value. So we'll see what are the data types in the, like we'll try to see what is the data types of this one. So if I just tell console.log, if I try to print console.log, if I want to print the x value and I want to print what is the type of it, I'll just tell type of the particular x value. If I want to print the particular type of the x value over here, so if I just print like this, you can see if I come back to the console, I'm getting 3, and the type is what? Number. You can see I'm getting type is a number value here. So same way I want to give it for the y value. So obviously the y value will be also a type of a number itself, because it is a number value. Suppose if I want to give the type of a z and x value, so I'll just give the type of z and I value. So I want to print the z value as well as y. Then I want to print what is the type of the particular variable, that is a z as well as the particular I value. Once I save this one, you can see I'll be getting 3.45 is a number, the true is a boolean value, and obviously the false is also a the particular boolean value. So one more I want to give, suppose I want to give the o is equal to null. So I want to just tell o is equal to null, null value. So if I try to console it, if I just tell console.log, so I want to print the o value and I want to print what is the type of the particular o value. If I want to print what is the type of this particular o, So you can see I'll be getting what? I'll be getting the null is a object. So the particular value of the nulls will be what? It will be the object value. So now I'll see you, this is about the null. So suppose I want to give it for the undef. So I'll just tell undef undef. So I'll just tell where of undef. So I'll just tell where of undefined value. Now I want to check for the undefined value. I'll just make it as a undefined over here. So then I'll just tell console dot log. I want to print the value of the undef. Then sorry, I need to just print the value of the undef. Then I want to check what is the type of this particular undef value. So if I just save this one, you can see I'll be getting the particular value is undefined, and the particular type of the particular value is what? The particular variable value is undefined. So I'll be getting for this particular undefined value. So this is all about the primitive data types. This is all about the primitive data types. So here I'll just come back here. I'll just put a comment here. I'll just mention it as primitive data types value with the examples. Now we'll see about the reference data types. I'll just tell you about the reference data type, reference data types. So what are all the reference data types? Let's see with this particular example. So now see, reference data type is based on the heap everything, and the JavaScript based on the object. It is based on the object, and it will be stored in the form of a heap object. When we create an object, the value is not directly assigned to a variable in this reference data type. So here we are creating a value, that the value will directly assigning to the particular variable, and it is taking the particular data types here. But in the particular same thing inside our reference data type, you can see it will be based on the heap, and the value is not directly assigned to the variable. Instead, that the reference to that value will get stored over here. Like example, in this particular fashion, you can see the particular example. Let's move on to the coding part and we'll see. So what are all the reference data types? So we will be having arrays here, and we'll be having objects, functions, and a date times. So these are all the data types of our reference data types. The arrays will come inside the reference, objects also will be coming in the reference data type, and the functions as well as a date function also. We'll see with the example. Come back to here and we'll see with the example. So if I just tell here where of if I just tell where AR array is equal to, so suppose I'll just tell something like this. So I want to get A, I'll just tell A1 and C comma, so I'll just tell here as a 2. So once I save this one, if I just tell console dot log, I want to first print the particular array value. Then I want to see what is the type of it, type of the particular AR. So if I just tell type of the particular AR, you can see I'm getting, it is a 4 value I'm getting as a 4, and the first I'm getting a array, and I'm getting the type of the particular array is what? Object. So if I open the array, you can see it is coming, it has been stored in the form of a array, and it is a object. The type of the array is what? It is a object. So this is we need to understand. So then we'll try to store some of the marks. So if I just tell let, I want to store some of my friends marks here. So I'll just store the friends marks. I'll just give my friend's name. I will just tell Aditya. So his marks I'll just give it as a 98 marks, and I'll just give one more name. I'll just tell Harshit over here. So here his particular marks I'll just give it as a 95. Then I'll just give the one more friend name. I'll just tell Meghana over here. So her particular marks are 99. So suppose I want to print this 3 marks, then I want to print what is the type of this one. I'll just tell console dot log. So I want to print the first of all the friends marks I need to print. Then I want to print friends mark. What is the type of it one? So I'll just tell type typ, type of the particular friends mark. So once I say, we can see the whatever the values is there, it is coming in the form of this particular fashion. Like what all the marks is there, it is coming in the form object. And you can see if I try to print the particular type of the particular object literal, you can see it is telling me it is a type object. So the particular basics of this, if I just open the flower brackets, if I just give the values, that is a key and a value over here, and here I'll be, if I see what is the type of the friends marks, you can see it is a type object. So this is about the object, and this is about the arrays, and this is about the object literal. So then we'll see about the function also. We'll see about the function. So if I just tell, suppose I want to create a function, I need to use a keyword that is a function. So I'll just give the function name as something like I want to friends. So I'll give the function names as a friends. So I'll just declare a function. I'll just open like this, and I'll just leave it empty like this. So now if I want to see, if I want to just tell console dot log, I want to just print the console dot log over here. I want to just see what is the type of the particular friends over here. If I want to just see what is the type of the particular friends, give the this particular semicolons. It is a good practice. You can see if I see the particular type of the particular function is it is telling me it is a type function over here. So that means a particular type of the particular this particular function is a function, and it is a object. It treats as an object. So then if I want to see about the let, I want to see for the date, I'll just tell let date is equal to, I want to create a new date. I'll just tell new NADET date. So I want to just create a new date here. So now what I want to print, I want to just tell console dot log, I want to just print the particular date over here. So once I print the particular date, you can see I'll be getting the Friday June 11 like that. And if I want to see what is the type of it, so if I want to print what is the type of it, console dot log, I want to see the type of the particular date over here. So if I just save it, you can see I'll be getting it is a object. Okay, so these are all the objects inside our reference data type, that is the arrays and the object literals, and we have seen now for the functions, and we have seen for the date type. Okay, so these are all the about the primitive data types and the reference data types. In the next video, I'll be catching you in the next video with the next concepts. So till that, take care and stay safe. So if you have not liked my video, like this particular video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and make use of it. So for this particular code, you can see the description below, and for the particular notes, or for this particular notes, you can just see the link in the description below. You will be finding a link. You can just download this particular notes and make use of it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.